Hi everybody, Josh May from Riccar. We're going to show you what comes with your Riccar Gem hand vacuum cleaner when you unbox it for the first time. So inside the box, this is what you'll find. We have owner's manual, hose, have the crevice tool here, has a small micro brush that fits on the end if you want to do keyboards, windowsills, that kind of thing. You also have a dusting brush as well as an upholstery tool right here. Here's the product with its cord. Go ahead and take it out of the bag. Here's your on-off switch right here. This piece right here is the button that you push to release and open it up. Here would be your filter inside the dirt cup. Dump your debris out from here. So with the flexible hose, the many attachments that you get, it's a great vacuum to have for your specialized cleaning needs.